renders service to many puts himself in line for greatness, great wealth, great return, great satisfaction, great reputation, and great joy. The major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. Giving is better than receiving because giving starts the receiving process. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Money is usually attracted, not pursued. Your personal philosophy is the greatest determining factor in how your life works out. It is the set of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated every day. Either you run the day or the day runs you. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan, and guess what they have planned for you? Not much. The big challenge is to become all that you have the possibility of becoming. You cannot believe what it does to the human spirit to maximize your human potential and stretch yourself to the limit. Start from wherever you are and with whatever you've got. I find it fascinating that most people plan their vacations with better care than they plan their lives. Perhaps that is because escape is easier than change. Goals are like a magnet. They pull. And the stronger they are, the more purposeful they are, the bigger they are, the more unique they are, the stronger they pull. The major reason for setting a goal is for what it makes of you to accomplish it. What it makes of you will always be far greater value than what you get. If you're not willing to risk the unusual, you'll have to settle for the ordinary. Miss a meal if you have to, but don't miss a book. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you'll never grow from it. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of spirituality. Searching and learning is where the miracle process all begins. Maturity is the ability to reap without apology and not complain when things don't go well. Let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others argue over small things, but not you. Let others cry over small hurts, but not you. Let others leave their future in someone else's hands, but not you. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Asking is the beginning of receiving. Make sure you don't go to the ocean with a teaspoon. At least take a bucket so the kids won't laugh at you. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Discipline has within it the potential for creating future miracles. Affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. For every disciplined effort, there's a multiple reward. Labor gives birth to ideas. Make measurable progress in a reasonable time. When you know what you want and you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. To solve any problem, here are 3 questions to ask yourself. First, what could I do? Second, what could I read? And third, who could I ask? Successful people have libraries. The rest have big screen TVs. Success is the continual unfolding of the design of your life and pulling it off. That's what success is. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. You have two choices. You can make a living, or you can design a life. Take time to gather up the past so that you'll be able to draw from your experiences and invest them in the future. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals.